Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Prepare your PC and iPhone before you launch a session. Install Steam Link or Parsec on the phone and enable Remote Play or Host software on the PC. Use Steam Link or Parsec to stream Phasmophobia from your PC to iPhone over 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Enable high performance on the PC, set capture resolution to 720p or 1080p, and target 3060 FPS for smoother input. Keep your iPhone within 2 meters of the router for best throughput and aim for 3060 FPS. Enable 5 GHz Wi-Fi and set router co-S for low latency. Choose your control method before joining a lobby. Most players prefer a Bluetooth controller for precise movement and camera control, but on-screen touch works in a pinch. Use a Bluetooth controller or on-screen touch controls. When you customize inputs, map flashlight to the right trigger and camera to the left trigger so you can react quickly during hunts. Adjust sensitivity to match touch latency and reduce glare by setting brightness to 60% on the iPhone. Turn vibration off in settings to reduce battery drain and avoid audio clipping. Start each contract by checking the van, grabbing a flashlight, camera, EMF reader, and salt. Take a quick plan with teammates. Photograph evidence at close range within 1 to 2 meters to register EMF or fingerprints, and use the camera flash sparingly to avoid wasting battery. When a hunt begins, hide calmly. Crouch and stay silent for at least 20 seconds when a hunt starts, and put distance between you and doors. Charge your iPhone to 100% before long sessions, and use low power mode only after a long session to preserve battery life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.